And we are live. It's 9 o'clock on the East Coast, 3 p.m. in Rome, Berlin, and Paris, 6 a.m. on the West Coast.
Yes, Mark. Enrico Klauer is the CEO and founder of Mecotec and a pioneer and patent-holding innovator in the cryotherapy business. He has spearheaded the development, manufacturing, and distribution of cryotherapy equipment over more than 20 years. He has sold and installed over 500 pure electric cryochambers worldwide, thereby introducing cryochambers to many different markets, including the US in 2010. Welcome, Enrico. So our next guests are Kevin Kramer and Dr. Massimo Gualerzi, who will be setting the stage and discuss an industry in crisis has a silver lining. Kevin Kramer is one of the principal founders of the whole body cryotherapy industry in the United States, having established the first retail treatment center in California in 2011. He's the CEO of the brand US Cryotherapy with corporate and franchise locations across the US. Dr. Massimo Gualerzi is a renowned cardiologist, author, and founder of the Longevity Suite and medical spa chain located in northern Italy that focuses on a holistic anti-age treatment through cryo, sports, and nutrition. Welcome both, Kevin and Dr. Gualerzi.
With that, comment, please kick us off.
Yes, thank you, Mark. It is a pleasure to introduce our next speakers, Antra Getsov and guests Alia Alston and Tara McCauley, who will tell us about the status of the industry. What? So what? Now what? Antra Getsov is the founder of the International Alliance for Cryotherapy Professionals. She was one of the cryotherapy pioneers in the US and has been involved in development of the industry since 2010. Alia Alston is one of the United States cryotherapy pioneers. She founded Icebox Studios in Atlanta, Georgia in early 2012 and has grown into a successful franchise business with more than 40 locations under development in multiple states and an additional 4 studios that are currently in operations. Tara McCauley is a licensed massage therapist for 13 years and the owner of the Body Spa and Cryotherapy in Rapid City, South Dakota. Owning her storefront business for 5 years, Tara has proven that with passion for wellness and true care for the employees and the local community, one can be successful regardless of the size of the city and the wealth of the population. Welcome, Antra, Alia, and Tara.
Thank you, Mark, and welcome to the whole community. It is now my great pleasure to introduce Sri Srinivasan. He will present his lesson for us, Social Marketing, the 10 times Power session. I'm beyond excited to introduce Sri, really, true guru in the field. It's amazing to have him. Sri Srinivasan, renowned social media and digital innovation expert, is the inaugural Marshall R. Loeb Visiting Professor of Digital Innovation at Stony Brook University School of Journalism. Sri is a leading consultant, speaker, trainer for nonprofits, corporations, startups, and executives worldwide. And he was named one of Fast Company's 100 most creative people in the business in 2015. During the COVID-19 crisis, he has launched 2 global conversations. The Daily Show on social called, and I use the hashtag, Shri COVID-19 call. And he has also a weekly radio program Saturdays from noon to 12 p.m. Eastern Time on WBAI 99.5 FM in New York City and WBAI globally. And also, not to mention, Shri has over 84,000 followers on Twitter. Welcome, Shri. Thank you very much, Mark, and welcome back to our sessions. Our next session is titled Key Issues Brief, What We Need to Know Now, the Legal and Financial Perspective. And our experts will be Reinhard von Hennig. Reinhard is the chairman and founder of Bridge House Law, is an international attorney. He consults clients on US, German, and European law and cross-border legal, financial, immigration, startup, business expansion, and other matters. He's a frequent public speaker and he was named a super lawyer in North Carolina for international law. Reinhard is president-elect of the CEO Charlotte chapter and of the Entrepreneurs Organization. He will be joined by Jack Notebaert. Jack is the Senior Account Manager at Brickhouse Capital with 20 years of experience in commercial equipment finance. His firm financed its first full-body cryotherapy machine in 2010, and since then has been a major player in the holistic wellness, fitness, and recovery space. Welcome to Reinhard and Jack.
Yes, Mark, here we go. Okay, we're moving on to the next session on best practices moving forward in Europe and the US. I would like to introduce our next speakers, Dion, and welcome back Dr. Massimo. And with him will be Susanna. Dion is the founder and president of Cryothletics. She is a sports therapist and cryotherapist. Dion is dedicated to integrating sports recovery with total body and mind wellness. Dr. Massimo is a renowned cardiologist, author, and founder of the Longevity Suite, a medical spa chain located in northern Italy that focuses on the holistic anti-aging treatments through cryo, sports, and nutrition. Susanna is a cryo space manager at the Longevity Suite and firmly believes in the potential of integrating medicine and nutrition. Let us welcome our speakers to the stage.
Thank you, Mark. And let's continue with the next session, which ties in nicely because we also talk about the science. The session is titled Cryotherapy and Recovery from Science to the Field. And our experts will be Dr. Christoph Hauswirth, PhD, Professor. Dr. Christoph Hauswirth is the CEO of the Scored Institute, which is a new center that helps companies to validate their products used in a sport and health context. He was previously the head of the scientific and medical department at the Mouratoglou Tennis Academy and used to be the director of the research department at the French National Institute of Sport for 20 years. He is joined by Dr. William Emmendorfer, CEO of Northspring Center for Rejuvenation. Dr. Emmendorfer combines his passion for sports, health, and wellness with his dedication to his community by providing alternative therapies to improve a person's wellness and vitality. Thank you very much, Mark, and thank you for the previous session. It was super dense and wonderful. I would now like to introduce you to the last session, which is entitled Why I Am Investing in Cryo Now. Our two experts will be Jim Donnelly. Jim is a serial entrepreneur and former athlete. Recognizing the need for new, healthier, and more convenient options for pain management, longevity, and performance optimization, Jim founded Restore Hyper Wellness and Cryotherapy. His firm is now in 50 locations and has 100 under construction. Restore was recently named 113 on the prestigious Inc. 5000 list of fastest growing private companies in the United States. Jim is joined by Kater Heine. Kater is a German-American CEO and co-founder of Mecotec US. Kater is a serial founder, entrepreneur, and investor, and he's running several businesses in various industries in Europe and the United States. With his years of experience in advertising and banking, Kater oversees Mecotec's strategy and operations in the US market. Welcome to both of you.
With that being said, thank you so much, everybody, and please stay tuned for the follow-ups. Thank you.